I hope you've had a good week. This week has been, yeah, it's been a good week. On Friday, we all went round to Clara's house because um final get together as Angel moved to Germany on Saturday. So she's now living the dream in Germany. Jamie's living the dream in China, and the family seems to be rapidly kind of like moving abroad, but she seems to be really, really happy in Germany. Yeah, so I won't focus on that because that's not why you're here. But within the business this week, we on one day last week, Wednesday, I think I may have mentioned it. I did a Google Ads training course up in Birmingham. That was really, really good. Yet to implement it, but I've been like thinking about how to spend budget and stuff like that. I wrote an article on if you're looking to become a tutor, what you need to put in your tutoring bio so that you're attractive, if you like, to people who are looking for tutors. Because my goal is I love tutoring. I really love it, especially I've I've worked with some really incredible kids and tutoring's getting busy again now, and there's kind of like new GCSE students that I'm working with, and they are such incredible people and I love it. But at the same time, my goal is to continue, whilst continuing to do that, support others in starting their own tutoring business. Because there's 14 of us now at Clara James. So as more and more, there's far too much work for me to do myself. And I realized that the more I try to do myself, the less people we can help. We can actually support more people if I support them in becoming tutors themselves, or if I support others in becoming tutors. So that's kind of like my long-term goal. That seems to be my natural next step. Um, so I wrote the profile, I've uploaded that up. I wrote the article and I uploaded that this morning if you're interested. And I've also been planning three online free workshops. One will be to support parents with helping their children learn the times tables. One will be supporting revision and different techniques and things. And the third one will be for those who are looking to become a tutor. So that's that's been my week. So yeah, it's been a good one. Obviously miss Hay, but knowing that she is so happy makes it a whole lot easier to know that she's living the dream in a different country. Anyway, have a really good week. If you're interested in any of the workshops or the article or anything else, please do give me a shout. And I, as always, will do my very, very best to help you. Have a great week and take care. Bye.